Hey everyone, it is April 4th, 2020, and this is Teamly update number 11. It has been quite a while since I've done a Teamly update. I know most of you guys are here from watching stuff like Material UI videos and coding videos, but I also do videos where I talk about sort of the startup-y stuff I like doing on the side as well. An update on Teamly, which was the League of Legends team matchmaking service I was making. I still am doing it. I recently got another client for one of my consulting companies. So I've been pretty busy with that, but I have still been working on Teamly on the side. In fact, the site is pretty much almost done with just the core functionalities. I have a new member on the team. His name is Kevin. He was a challenger in League of Legends, and he and I went to high school together. He is also a coder, so we are working on the project together. We're hoping to get something out within the next couple of weeks. We're currently doing the League of Legends implementation with their API. I didn't know you could verify accounts with League of Legends APIs, so it's really exciting to be doing that. But I just want to let you guys know I haven't given up on Teamly. I haven't stopped doing it or whatever. I still do it on the side, maybe an hour or two a night whenever I get the time here and there. But I'm still planning on releasing something, and I'm still planning on seeing this through to the end, which hopefully isn't for a while, because I really enjoyed working on it, and I think it could really be of lots of value to the League of Legends community and also a lot of gaming communities, especially now given the current global climate where a lot of people are staying at home and playing more. We see how many people are signing up for Clash, so a scrim finding service we think would be really high in demand, even if we added our own MMR, etc., etc. So I just want to update you guys and let you know I haven't stopped working on Teamly, and we're still moving forward with it. So I'll see you guys in the next update.